Hi guys, it's Mick here from Creative Dip It. Today I am doing a set of mini wheels. So I'm just going to doing one. Yeah, we've already got it base coated, back taped it so it keeps a little bit clean. And what we're doing it on the English flag for the minutes. So as you can see, it's going down. This sheet tends to shrink a little bit, so it doesn't make it easy. Let's put it that way. So it will open up when we start spraying it. How long we got? We got about another 30 seconds. So basically, what she'll do is expand. You can see along the edges here, it's just shrinking in. But when we hit the activator, it should open it back up again, and then we can control it. So let me just get some gloves on, guys. Safety first. I do try and get these in as quick as I can so you guys are not waiting around. Right, what I'll do is now, so I will hit this with an activator and we will dip it. Okay, here we go. And there you are. Can you see that, guys? I'm happy with that. That's it. From Mick from Creative Dip It.